friends claim that she begins to party hard. High on a combination of alcohol and Adderall.
She loved the party scene, she loved the attention, and she loved the money. There's a lot of drama.
This isn't just a rebound from a failed relationship. It's really a classic midlife crisis. She's drinking and partying, carousing around, trying to reclaim the lost youth she never enjoyed. This making up for lost time is something that can only get Monica into trouble.
But just as Monica's on a roll, Rob loses everything.
The company he was working for became involved in a major lawsuit. He then lost his job.
Rob hits rock bottom.
When the money ran out, I think things counted.
You okay, buddy?
I'm fine.
Without Rob's sizable income to bankroll her, Monica quickly runs into financial trouble.
Monica has some lavish spending habits.
It always seemed that Monica needed money for something.
As the bills pile up,
I'm gonna make a bet. If you don't make a hole-in-one, I get $1,000.
Monica sets her sights on rich, eligible men.
Monica would a lot of times attach herself to older men, wealthy men.
Monica dated high profile. If they couldn't give anything to Monica, she didn't want to have anything to do with them. I haven't had them.
According to Monica's friends, she has different men footing all her bills.
Great.
She was dating 5 guys at the same time.